Good morning. I want to walk you through the course. Some of you guys are not reading, and I really need you to read the information. That's a part of communication. So, if you would look at the top toolbar, you will have a content section. Click on the content section. Once you click on the content section, you'll see that the table of content is identified per week. You start with your textbook, and I know that you'll receive your textbook either Friday or next week. And then you go to how to contact me. So let's go into week one. When we go into week one, you'll see your self-introduction. It says upload your speech here. This is where you will upload your speech only. Please click on it and read the information. The next section is how to start your speech. Please watch this video before you begin to create your speech. And the next is self-introduction speech outline. This is very self-explanatory. This is where you will upload your outline. I've given you examples of what you need to do in order to create the outline. Let's go into week two. If we go into week two, we'll see our first discussion post. Pay attention to the due dates. The due dates do not move. They are not waver. There are no exceptions. So pay attention to the due dates, and I have a 300 word count on this with textual reference. Make sure that you adhere to the word count. Then you have quiz 1. We'll go into week 3. Week 3, you have quiz 2. Week 4, you have your first informative speech. There's a lot to read. There's a lot to do this week. So you're going to look at your discussion post number 2. And in the discussion post, you're going to answer these questions along with examples. Before you start giving me your informative speech, what I want you to do is make sure that you look at this particular speech. It's a really good example. You need to have an outline. You need to upload your outline here. Your outline is separate, and this is where you're going to actually upload the speech. These are the topics that you select from. You do not select your own topics. Then we're going into week 5. In week 5, you have a cover letter and a resume. You'll need to use Canva. Here are examples, and then you have your persuasive speech. Again, the outline and the speech are two separate things. Yes, I must see your face. Yes, you must use visual aids. The time limits are here. Do not go over my time limits. These are examples of the outline. This is examples of the topics. And again, these are examples. Please make sure you go through this in its entirety. Week 6, I haven't posted anything as of yet. I haven't determined if I'm going to give you a final or if what I'm going to do for week 6. I hope this clears up some confusion and it answers the questions.